yo me alegro. Ay, mi vida dejaría.
Hola amigos, did you know that in Spanish-speaking countries, a week begins from Monday? Geez, we hate that word, right? Moving on, today's Spanish lesson will be about days in a week. Let's roll. First of all, we got Monday, that is Lunes. Tuesday is Martes. Wednesday is Miércoles. Thursday is Jueves. Friday is Viernes. Saturday is Sábado. And Sunday is Domingo. Quite easy to learn, isn't it? Subscribe my channel to learn more words in Spanish. And those who are my current subscribers, stay tuned for more. Till then, hasta pronto.